the actual volume of the robot. I have not turned down the volume. It's not very loud. You notice the robot vacuum does not vacuum in a straight line. It looks like it doesn't know what it's doing because it's going all over the place, zigzagging back and forth, straight line, no straight line. But the robot has many sensors and it figures out where to go and how to clean the floors effectively. If you want to try out this robot vac, I've put a link in the description below. My wool rug is thick and the shark climbed it with no issue. You can see the side brushes just literally swept the leaf that was on the rug to the middle and vacuumed it up. The transition from a hardwood floor to a rug or carpet looks pretty smooth. The vacuum does get very close to the walls, but it won't be able to pick up every little bit of dust. When the robot gets stuck in a corner or a tight spot, it'll try to free itself by moving to the left, right, backward, forward, and most of the time it succeeds. One or two times I did have to pick up the vacuum and get it out of the spot that it was stuck in. There's a tight space between my dining chairs and the wall. The shark did get in there and make it all the way down to the end of my dining room, but then it got stuck, so I had to help it along. Of course, it's a good idea to block off the tight spaces because you don't want to go chasing after the robot. I have fast forwarded some of the footage, otherwise this video would have been 2 hours long. I love that the robot got under my dining table where there's a lot of little particles. It got around the legs of my dining chairs and the feet of my dining table. I vacuumed up all the cereal. This rug is much thicker than regular carpet and the shark did a good job on cleaning it. I don't really see any dirt or particles on it. I just picked up some of the white particles on my dark kitchen floors. That's a little particle that was swept by the shark from under. The shark picked up dust, hair, leaves, and the cereal. It's very convenient. You can just turn it on and let it go. I thought the robot vac might get stuck under my couch or get completely lost, but it didn't. You saw that it found its way out from under the couch very easily. Shark does tell you to move stuff out of the way so the vacuum can work properly. But of course, we're